At TrueInsight, our goal is to support engineering and design teams get out to market as fast as they can. We focus on the SMB market mainly because they are different than an enterprise level customer, and they need a different level of support. They require much quicker responses. They're smaller teams, they need to do more with less, so they have limited resources to be able to get what they need done as quickly as possible. What a digital thread does is helps them simplify this process from one step all the way through to the end, and they can see a clear path of how they're actually get their product out to market. So we're really excited about the Siemens acquisition, mainly because it allows us to support our customers in a whole different way. Typically, we were really focused on that simulation and testing phase of their cycle. Now we can help them from the design phase and the concept phase all the way through manufacturing and everything in between. And that's really what Siemens allows us to do for our customers. For us, customer success basically means that our customer is solving the problem they need to solve. That could either be with the solution we're selling them or with our expertise. Our goal is to make sure that they can maximize the investment they've already made in the software and get them all the way out to market way faster than they could have otherwise. With a solution this wide, I wish I could say we could have a technical resource or a sales or business resource for every solution that they offer. Unfortunately, that's not a reality. The great thing about the partner-to-partner network allows us to be able to specialize in the things that we're really good at and work with other partners that are really good in other areas. So for our customers, that means they're getting best-in-class support from people who actually know what they're doing. With our experience in this field for the last 20 years, TrueInsight, we've found that immediacy and quick response is the number one priority for anything they're looking for. The faster we can respond, the faster they can respond, and the faster they can get out to market. The solutions that Siemens brings and the solutions we're used to offering are best-in-class solvers no matter where you're at. Whether that's from a structural simulation solver coming from Altair or best-in-class fluid solvers coming from Siemens, our customers will be able to understand they're getting the best tool no matter what the application is.